Hi everyone, so Giraffe here. I just wanted to give you an update on the cow plush. I was meant to get the pattern and video released today. However, I encountered some issues that I don't remember encountering the last time I made the cow. And that was probably a couple years ago. I'm just kind of taking a step back and kind of going through it all. Some of the issues that I did encounter was, let's see, I got like the first little part done. His little legs are missing. But over here on the body, as you can see, it's kind of square, and I really don't want that. I want it to be a bit more rounded. So I have some ideas for that. Specifically, I'm going to increase this side piece so it kind of curves down onto the body itself. I might actually even just combine the butt piece and the side piece to try to see if I can get a piece that will kind of wrap around it. For the body, for the tummy itself, I'm going to try to make it a little bit more rounded right there so we don't get these corners. So on a furred plush, it actually doesn't make that much of a difference, but if you're going to use cotton or minky or felt, or I'm sorry, fleece, you would see it, and I just don't think it would look good. So I'm going to go back and do that again. I'm happy with the snoot. I'm happy with everything else really on the body. And then the other issue I've had was, oh yeah, see, I got the horns done too, and I think these look cute because I want them to be like very cute, very fluffy horns. But the other issue I have is the tail. This tail actually works out perfectly, but I made this top piece with the body fabric too long, so I need to go in and fix it. As you can see on the screen, it's like this long triangle. I actually need to shave it down so it's a little bit less. So unfortunately the video is going to be delayed until next Saturday, but I will have it up by then and the pattern available for purchase. I'm sorry about that, but I just don't want to put something out there that is not good and can lead to further issues and stuff like that. So otherwise the regular video schedule will be up to date. I will be working on this today and tomorrow. I'll give you an update on Monday how it's going, and then we'll go from there. But like I said, keep an eye out for next Saturday. So that will be the my calendar's still on May. But then on that day, then it will have the more updated video for the cow plush, and the cow pattern will be available for purchase. So thank you so much for hanging in there. If you want to see it, if you want to make sure you don't miss a video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.